Feile in Carraige is embedded in West Belfast. As local activists, we are proud of our area and we are determined to build on foundations bequeathed to us by previous generations. Thus, the events and projects being showcased aim to create space and encourage people to think critically and take control of their own destiny. This Feile intends to challenge, inspire, and more importantly, involve as many people as possible in a way that normalises a can-do culture of solidarity and collaboration. We provide local people with the opportunity to engage and reflect on their own history, their community, and their politics and culture. This starts right here in our community. It gives platform to transformative community projects that have been developed organically from a language movement that is committed not only to the reconquest of the language, but also to genuine social change. We believe that ordinary people can change things for the better, and that successful acts of resistance breed confidence in the politics of hope. We celebrate the creativity and ingenuity of a special community that has overcome insurmountable odds and attracted international attentions to our struggle for justice. This activism and commitment to the language is a tool for community regeneration. And rather than it being just a hobby or profession, the Upper Springfield view it as a life choice and as a means to make a difference in a community that has been marginalised and excluded. In addition to the debate, reflection and heated discussion, we always ensure that light-hearted fun and entertainment are crucial to the Feile. We use film, lectures, panel discussions and community theatre to investigate aspects of our history of struggle. It is to not only celebrate these rousing achievements, but more importantly, to inspire us in the present. Arundhati Roy, a prominent novelist, stated, "Another world is not only possible, she is on her way. On a quiet day, I can hear her breathing."